Well, you guys have asked and the installation video is here. What's going on, gearheads, and welcome back to the channel. So by popular demand, we're going to do an install video for the light bar you see on this Duramax, except we're not going to do the Duramax this time. We're going to switch it up for you a little bit, and we're going to put it on a Blazer. Not the K5 type, but you know, the new front wheel drive grocery getter type. Stick around. All right, guys, so let's step over to the messy drawer here. So you're going to need the light. So we'll set that up there. And then you're going to need these adapters here. We'll figure out which one we'll use here, and then I'll put the description and link to these. Back in the day, you know, the high school days when you'd mod your car, you know, you kind of just wrap the wire around the fuse and stick it in. Yeah, we're just going to do it right here. And then I found my Reese cup. So I'm going to eat that too while we're working on this thing. So remember, light, your little adapters, and then you're going to need some crimps. This is super easy, pretty straightforward. Pop the hood on this thing. I've not popped it since I bought it, so I really don't know what it actually looks like underneath. The dealership pays for maintenance, right? So no point to do anything under here. So you're going to want to locate your fuse box. Once you get that, then you're going to want to find a fuse that actually ties into the headlight system. So your car's not going to look like this, but doesn't matter which one you choose, just find one. If you're lucky like me and you found that the graph on the back for the wiring for the fuse box is printed in black, well, good luck to you. But I did find that F32 on this Blazer here is the low beam headlight. That's the one I'm going for. There are no fog light buttons or anything within the vehicle, so I have to find something that's going to go off when it's dark outside. So take your needle nose pliers and pull that fuse. Okay, so now that we have the fuse out here, using the adapters, have a smaller one, so that's going to work just like that. So use a smaller one and then we'll push that in, but don't forget, when you put this all together, you're going to want to put your fuse right back into that there. So let's go ahead and unravel this, and you may or may not need all this wiring here, but if you do, hey, good for you. If not, cut it off, stretch it out, but hey, make sure you actually leave the inline fuse there. You're going to need that. Otherwise, it's not going to work. They're already cut there. They're super thin too. So take the smallest one you got here, and we're going to strip that out. Ooh, we left that super long too. You know what? We're going to actually put a better connector on here. I don't like these. And connect the other one. So give it a good tug. Make sure it's set. And then back to F32 and push down just like that. Not every bolt in the frame is going to be a good ground. That one's not. Oh, that one barely is. Yeah. But maybe the battery? Oh, look at that. So we got light. All right, guys, so pretty straightforward, right? Installation's super easy. I'm going to put all the information in the description for you, links to what I've used, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments box below. Now, let's jump to a demo video of this light rolling down the street.